Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I am going to be adding an SSD to my 2011 27-inch iMac with an i7. Now for the 2011 year, this iMac was spec'd as high as you could get one spec'd. And recently I sold my Mac Mini M1 and I'm going to be using this 2011 iMac as my daily computer. So I'm going to be doing a couple of upgrades. A little while back I posted a video upgrading this iMac to have 2 hard drives. I replaced the CD drive with an SSD, 120 gigabyte one, and I'll link to that video up above. What I'm going to do over the next week or so is replace the hard disk drive with this SSD, and then I'm going to go back and replace that SSD. It was a 120 gigabyte SSD. I'm going to replace it with a 1 terabyte SSD so that I have a total of 2 terabytes of internal storage, both SSDs, for me to use this iMac. So let's go ahead and dive on in. The drive that I'm going to be using is a Samsung SSD. It's an 860 EVO that I purchased from Amazon. There'll be a link below. And this blue hard drive adapter that makes it fit where a 3.5 inch hard drive would go. I also got this on Amazon, like a pack of 2 for like under $10. I'll put a link to it as well in the description. But it seems to, so far, do the trick just fine. Dig into the iFixit toolkit. First thing we need to do is pull this glass off. Set that off to the side. And then there are several screws that we need to undo so that we can pull the LCD panel forward. So there's 8 total screws, for any who are wondering. Then I just stick something in there. Allows you to gently pull it forward. Now you don't want to pull it forward too far, because right here there is a cable that needs to be detached. And then there are 2 additional cables that need to be attached or detached. This one here. This one here. And the third one right here. And then you can just gently lift the LCD panel right out. And you can see here where I added 120 gigabyte SSD through an adapter that kind of mimics the look of where the CD player would go. Today though, we're going to remove this old hard drive and replace it with this. And it's pretty simple once you get into here. It's just 2 screws to get the drive out. Then you just pull up and undo the connection. It's 1 terabyte Western Digital hard drive. It's hot. Okay, see, we have the bracket installed with the 2 pins. Now we are ready to stick it back in. Like I said, it's not a super hard process. I'm gonna reattach the hard drive cables, stick it right in there, And there it goes. Now all we need to do is screw back in the 2 screws. That's nicely fastened in. And in another video coming up here soon, once it's done, I'll link to it above. But I'm gonna pull this out and replace this with another 1 terabyte SSD. While I have this open though, I might as well give a little spray. Just to keep it dust free. Looks good. Now we can go ahead and put the LCD back on. Be careful not to touch the LCD on the front. Those smudge marks are a pain in the rear to get off. Now, just for the reconnecting, screw the 8 screws back in, boot it up to make sure it works. I'm going to test it real quick just to make sure everything works before I fully reassemble it. And that's a good noise. It's booting right up. Perfect. Now just finish screwing those screws in. There we go. Get rid of the dust. Careful of your fingers, it'll snap on there pretty quick. We're good to go. Let's reinstall it. Plug everything back in. Now that we're back in, I can go ahead and check, make sure that it all came through good. There we go. 1 terabyte solid state drive. This was holding my YouTube file in the Mac Mini M1. So I'll probably just continue using that, because I also have this small hard drive setup that holds 4 hard drives. It's pretty cool, has its own fan and cooling system. It's all automatic. They're pretty affordable too. I'll put a link to it in Amazon below. Well, there you guys have it. That's how to replace your old hard disk drive with an SSD in your 2011 iMac. Make sure that you hit that subscribe button. I post videos regularly. Your support really means a lot to me. I'll see you guys next video.